transition. Okay, bro. This is it. We have Emin feat JONY. Kam. It's the name of the song. I don't know how the fuck to spell it. Bro, this shit's so good. Like, oh my god. This song, man. This song is my favorite song. Okay, this is my like only song I know in Russian, so. But this song right now, right here, my favorite. It has 246 mil. It's peak. Oh, peak. Let's hear the peak. Let's hear the peak. 3, 2, 1, go.
В камине в 6 утра фотография твоя, горят воспоминания о тебе. У камина в 6 утра разбитая душа, и все твои обиды.
Oh my, okay, I got a bit carried away, but this spot is dog shit. But the song, oh my god, man. The song, man. I can't. I mean, this is just peak. This is straight peak, bro. How much emotions they are putting here, it's crazy. I never seen anything like this. Special live version. You have a live version, check the live version. Live version is even better, honestly, even better. You can feel the flaws in their voices, which is what it makes it even better. You want to hear the flaws of a singer. Not too much, obviously, but to make them more human. You don't want AI fucking version. You want imperfection. There's no perfection in anything. There will always be flaws. You have flaws. You have flaws. You have fucking flaws. Everyone has flaws. Let's go. Oh my lord. Did you hear that? Did you hear the vibration in that? I don't know what he said, but the vibration, the last word. It's the details that make the song not perfect, but close to perfection. It's the details. And this song right here, it has it. Let's go. Transition. We go into transition. This guy is so good. The second guy is also so good, bro. Second guy clears, man. I don't know who is better between them, but the second guy, oh my god. I don't know. I don't know what to say, man. Let's go. Let's hear this shit right now.
Твой маяк подарил мне боль. Устал я жить, все обиды тая. Уходи, за собой закрой.
Did you hear that твоя? That's the shit I'm talking about. Those details. It makes it so good, bro. Let's hear his transition is also so good. Oh my god.
Сколько бы я не просил, но ты же знала, что меня теряла. Я босиком по стеклам бегал так упрямо. И если бы не твой милый голосок, я бы упал, сделав последний вздох.
Oh my god. Oh, bro. His verse, man. This shit's peak. Peak of life, man. I listen to this almost every day in the car and shit. This is the go-to song, man. Russians have it. We heard the last song. It's so good, but this one, bro. This one is better. It's like, it's not even close, man. Let's go. It's faster, it's faster. Emotions. Now slow. Bro. They both are perfect. They're synchronized perfectly, man. I can't. Like, this is peak. This shit is what I'm talking about, man. This right here. Spot is dog shit, though. Like, what the fuck did I do with the spot? They could have made this song in total. They could have made it perfection, man. And they've ruined it with this garbage in Canva. I can make this shit. I have like, what, 30 minutes in Canva for presentation in 2nd grade. Not even high school, 2nd grade, in a fucking elementary 2nd grade. Let's go.
Фотография твоя, горят воспоминания о тебе.
Permission. Let's go. I can't. I don't want to post too much, but I don't know how it goes with fucking copyright, bro. I don't know how it goes with copyright. I don't want to get too much copyrighted, so I have to create more values, man. But bro, I will literally double the viewership, the views. I will double that shit, literally, and they deserve it.
Мина в 6 утра, разбитая душа, и все твои обещания пустота. В камине в 6 утра, фотография твоя, горят воспоминания о тебе. У камина в 6 утра.
Again, you have that, it's those details again, man.
Душа, и все твои обещания пустота.
I don't know. Bro, I can't, man. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say, man. Like that last part, it's like it's behind. It's echoing from the distance. They're losing themselves. They're getting lost in life because of hard shit they are going through right now. And this is the product of that life right now. Like the way they display their emotions, it's perfect. It's absolutely perfect. Beautiful. I don't know. My rating for this song will be, I don't know. Bro, this shit's crazy. I will give them 9.3. 9.3. 9.3 is perfect, man. 9.3. Crazy things. I want more of Russian songs because I've been blown away. I mean, what do I say? I've been blown away. And you guys in the comment sections, I want you all to give me songs, which countries and to whom I can react. And leave a like, bro. Let's push me, man. Fuck this shit, bro. In 3 months, I want to have already 50 fucking K, bro. Give me 50K in 3 months. I'm making money, man. Living over this shit. I can drop out of a college. Fuck that shit. Fuck college. I don't need fucking college. Let's go. Fuck that shit, bro.